Hello, I'm Gaëlle Bonjour from IDIT, and this is Smart Track for Waterway project presentation. Smart Track for Waterway is a project whose main objective is to promote the modal transfer from the road to the river by monitoring the loading from the first to the last mile enabled by the tracking of packaged goods. ST4W objective is a modal shift facilitation from road to waterway thanks to a seamless synchronization between actors enabled by a cloud-oriented management system for shipment by inland waterway and fed with data from traceability of shipment, including its geolocalization. To achieve this objective, the project required a regulatory analysis of the inland waterway logistics processes to determine if there are current obstacles to facilitating either the seamless synchronization between actors and systems. In the first point of action, the different rules and regulations applicable for ST4W have been identified. We focused on electronic data regulation, transport by inland waterway and by road. For each, we explored relevant international, European, national, and regional regulation if they existed. Each regulation has been briefly presented, in particular with regard to its link with the ST4W project. In the second point of action, from the reports of interviews, we have identified the information exchange between the different stakeholders who are involved in the inland waterway operation according to the regulation identified in legal framework or in practice. In the third point of action, we focused on the electronic data governance. The first part of this point includes legislation and analysis to the obligation and liabilities of stakeholders in terms of personal data and privacy, commercial data and trade secrets, dematerialization of goods-related transport documents, transport information systems, and finally, cybersecurity. The second part is to identify the legal or practical issues that could restrict the development of digitalization and data sharing in ST4W, such as geo-tracking, protection of sensitive commercial data, legal obstacles, and challenges in the use of electronic transport documents. Finally, the first point of action consisted of the implementation of recommendation. We focus the recommendation only on the following aspects: issues and regulation regarding GDPR, electronic documents, cybersecurity, complexity of regulation regarding the supply chain, and COVID-19. These points have been added to the interview of stakeholders. Two major problems emerges from the analysis of the interviews. The first problem is the lack of confidence in the sharing of personal data, because sharing data through the ST4W app poses certain legal and business issues regarding confidentiality, liability, and business sensitivity. The second problem is the administrative burden linked to the lack of interoperability. What next? The Interreg program has granted the ST4W an extension until September 2022 to demonstrate how the cloud-oriented management solution can link to sustainable last-mile delivery solution in 5 pilot sites. With a focus on data and responsibility transfer and the delivery interfaces, IDIT will compare legal and urban planning regulation for the pilot sites and recommend improvement for last-mile operation using inland waterway transport. Thank you for your attention.